In Hokkaido, Japan, there's a doll whose hair won't stop growing. Locals believe it holds the spirit of a young girl, and some say it's still alive. Her name is Okiku, a traditional Ichimatsu doll bought in 1918 for a little girl named Kikuko. But soon after, Kikuko died suddenly at just 3 years old. Heartbroken, her family placed the doll on an altar to honor her. And then something strange happened. The doll's neat, shoulder-length hair began to grow. Slowly at first, then noticeably. The family trimmed it, but every time the hair returned, longer, rougher, almost human. When priests examined the doll, they claimed the hair belonged to a real child. And even today, temple caretakers trim it regularly. But that's not the worst part. Monks say the doll's mouth appears to be slowly opening, as if something inside is trying to speak. So here's the question. If the doll really carries a spirit, what happens when the mouth finally opens?